Hello dear friends, a new video tutorial from Alpha CAD-CAM Training Center. Now we'll see how to work with the nesting when we have a big bridge and we need to create a stabilizer. Okay, first once we finish to place our bridge, more or less in the center of our block or our blank, we have to go with the settings of the connectors because we'll first put our connectors. Okay, now here I will delete the connectors that the software put, and the right diameter for the connector is 2 millimeter for all. Never put one connector bigger than the other, all with the same size. Okay, so then 2 millimeter diameter of connector, because if I put bigger, if the connector is 3 millimeter diameter or 4, that means that my stabilizer will have that thickness. I mean, it will be very big, and I don't need that. Okay, then first I will place the connector in the center. Once I do that, after I place the other connectors, I have only to try to get them all symmetrical. I mean, one in the center and one in each side. I mean, if I put 4 connectors in the left side, I will put 4 connectors in the right side and one in the center, in the middle. Okay, so they will be symmetrical, and I mean all the charge on the connector from the stabilizer to the bridge will be shared more or less in an equal tension. If not, I can have too many tension in one side and that can break. Or during the sintering, the stabilizer or my connector absorbs all the heating, and I don't need that. I want to make the sintering of my reconstruction, not for my stabilizer or my connectors. Okay, then once I place all my connectors, now I will turn my blank and try to put all the connectors in the same line. Okay, in the same height, same line. Okay, so then that's easy. I have only to move them all, okay, to get more or less all in the same line. And I remember my Portuguese friends, when I used to ask them to do that, they use a sheet of paper to try to check if they are all in the same line. Yeah, that's fantastic. You don't need to do that. Only we see if they are all more or less in the same line, and that's fantastic. That's fine. So then when the software will make correction, that will be easier. Okay, now I create my stabilizer. You can see the thickness of my stabilizer is more or less the same as for my connectors, and that's fantastic. No holes in the stabilizer, nothing freaky or strange. The stabilizer has to stabilize my bridge, so I need a real stabilizer. Half stabilizer, yeah, if I try to earn material at the end, I will waste material, because if I repeat my job, if I do it 2 times, that means that I am wasting time and material. Okay, now I can put the stabilizer a little bit smaller and trying to check that all the molar teeth, they will not touch the bottom of the combustion chamber during the sintering. And that's perfect. That's finished. I can save it and start the CNC calculation. Good nesting. Thank you for watching.